Good afternoon, everyone. Today's adventure brings us to beautiful heaven on earth, Pine Mountain, Georgia, and we're here at the Whistling Pig. Let's go take a look. That is so cute.
You're supposed to spaghetti.
Okay, I got the barbecue plate, and we're about to try it. This is the menu here at the Whistling Pig. You can see they have all kinds of hamburgers, chicken tender basket, they have salads. These are their sides. All kinds of delicious barbecue plates and sandwiches. Brunswick stew, which is my favorite. They have hot dogs. They have sandwiches. Plates. Rib plates. And taters. They have sweet tea and Coke and all kinds of beverages. And they have extras. And they're located on Highway 27, just south of downtown Pine Mountain. And they have the best food ever. I love their barbecue. I just received my delicious barbecued pulled pork plate. And I have okra, fried okra, and French fries with special barbecue sauce. And I'm about to taste it. Let me taste this delicious barbecue. That is so delicious. Right here at the Whistling Pig in Pine Mountain, Georgia. That is so good. It's got a great smoky flavor. It's melts in your mouth. Absolutely delicious. Let me take another bite. Delicious. Delicious. Alright, let's try this okra. Just exactly like I love it. Crispy and delicious. It's got that rich flavor to it. It's like I remember growing up. This is so delicious. These fries are delicious as well. They have a great potato flavor. Absolutely delicious. I love coming here and eating lunch. Some afternoons, they're open 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Monday through Saturday. So I love coming and grabbing me some fresh barbecue sandwich or a baked potato. They have baked potatoes here that are out of this world. They are so good. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. That's so good. They have a lunch special here every day. I believe it's daily lunch specials. Or maybe these are everyday lunch specials. Leave me a comment below if you know. That's excellent. You get a cheeseburger with homemade fries. And these homemade fries are delicious. The number 2 is a half-pound cheeseburger with homemade fries. And the number 3 is a barbecue sandwich. So it's your choice. I'd choose the barbecue sandwich though. Absolutely love their barbecue here. That's a cute pig up there.
Number 50.
On the shelf. So cute.
There you go, sweetie.
More delicious okra. So, so good. Mm-hmm.
51.
There's all their decor up there. There's that cute little pig. This is such a unique place to come and eat lunch. And one of my favorite places in Pine Mountain to eat lunch. How cute.
Fresh apples got the chunks of apple with a caramel almond glaze. Okay.
So cute.
Thank you. Anyone have a ball in?
That's cute too. That's one of the murals here in Pine Mountain. Isn't that awesome?
He don't care for me in here.
I know one thing I had to have with you,